Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Reality Metaverse token. Ticker symbol is Rltm. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real easy, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So, ticker symbol Rltm, Reality Metaverse is the name of the token. This token, it was just announced on Mexc Global's Twitter. It's actually their pinned tweet as well. It says that this token will be listed. Listing date is April 11th, 14 hours UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token, today is the 26th, March 26th, so it's a couple weeks away. You can get this token soon on Mexc Global. So if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to simply get this token is fund your trust wallet, fund your trust wallet. Go through that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box, open an account, and fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section, search Rltm, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then buy the token. And that will be on April 11th. You can get this token. But until then, if you open an Mexc Global account using the code down there in the description box, there is a hold 1,000 MX tokens to be qualified for Rltm airdrops. This is an Mexc Launchpad event going on right now, and that goes from March 25th, which was yesterday, all the way until April 9th. So you can get involved in that event and get some Rltm airdrops in the meantime before this token gets its initial listing on April 11th. So that's super cool. Now, Reality Meta, if you go to their Twitter at Reality Meta, which is short for Reality Metaverse, they are verified on Twitter with the blue check mark. 449 tweets, very active on Twitter. They have 174,600 Twitter followers. So it's a very, very well-established project. They're doing very well. It says, Reality NFT is the true connection between reality and the metaverse. It is a place where Web 2 and Web 3 users can coexist. Now, on their Twitter, they also have a full link tree that you can check out. Has a website on there, Twitter, Discord, Telegram chat, YouTube, white paper, let's see here, LinkedIn, and then they have a section that you can get the Reality NFT badges as well. So all sorts of cool stuff there. Now, if you go to their official webpage, realitymeta.io, over there you can check out these really cool, like 3D looking NFTs here of land. So they have like the Golden Gate Bridge, Tower Bridge, Eiffel Tower. You can search, you can sort by category, country, check out all these different things there. In the top left-hand corner, they have a section where you can click on About the NFTs. You can click on, let's see, a full white paper is available there as well. It's a 66-page white paper, very lengthy white paper, all sorts of info on here. The true connection between the real world and the metaverse, it says. So, again, very lengthy. It says, we are a reality metaverse, and we have created a project called Reality NFT. Reality NFT is a true connection between reality and the metaverse. It is a place where Web 2 and Web 3 users can coexist, and it brings the physical into the digital. It also is an epic gaming experience like no other. Imagine owning the Eiffel Tower, spending time next to the Sagrada Familia, I'm not sure what that is, and flipping the Statue of Liberty with Reality NFT you can. So they're basically saying you can do whatever you want, you know, with your land, whatever, you know. You could put the Pentagon beside the, you know, Tower of Japan if you want to. I don't know. Be creative. Our project focuses on tokenizing the world's most famous locations into NFTs. We connect with successful high-revenue generating mobile games for Reality NFTs to earn royalties. The first game integrated into our ecosystem is Landlord Go, the world's top geolocation property trading mobile game. Have a go at being an actual landlord, collecting rent from your landmarks. In addition, owners to Reality NFTs will acquire trading fees for the primary and secondary NFT marketplaces. NFT owners receive royalties through our token Rltm from in-app premium content and mobile games and NFT marketplace trading fees. The Rltm utility token is added to enhance the dynamic economy, allowing the Web2 game to generate continuous demand for the token. Meanwhile, its value should increase over time thanks to new utilities and more games being added. To make this happen, we partnered with Reality Games and Golem Network. Now, you can read about Reality Games. They have, you know, over 21 million downloads, AAA games, all sorts of stuff, NFTs, stuff like that. And then the Golem Network, they go over that. So Reality NFT tokenizes the famous locations into NFTs and then uses these assets in games played by millions of players, starting with the flagship mobile game Landlord Go. Each NFT corresponds to one real-world location, famous landmarks, and most prominent cities and countries, and offers royalties from Web2 games and trading fees. And it says they have a collection right now of 2,000 NFTs. Iconic landmarks as NFTs. Goes over royalties. And then the token is on here as well. Some token info. Pretty much went over all that already though. And yeah, so this white paper, again, 66 pages long. Super extensive. You can read it by downloading it off their webpage. I'm just scrolling. Oh, their team is doxed on the white paper as well, which is nice to see. Names and faces and job descriptions and all that types of stuff. Pages and pages of team doxing on here. And yeah, shows you lots of pictures of what the Metaverse stuff is going to look like. So check it all out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Reality Metaverse and the new token that's coming out? Do you think this is going to be a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And definitely check out that Mexc Global one. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace!